What's up, my people? You're back. Too Fast Tone, Circuit Demon. We got another project. We got the F90 M5. So this one's gonna be getting the downpipes and a full AWE exhaust. And then we're gonna be going with the billet or upgraded, I think CSF charge air coolers. And then we're going ahead and we're doing the Project Gamma intakes. So this is a 1 of 400 F90 M5. And this one is the Frost Metallic, I believe, red. So it's an individual color, special car. Definitely stay tuned, and I'm definitely excited for the outcome of this build. So let's get it. Kevin! They should have never gave you money. We got a CSF. Holy shit, this thing's heavy. CSF charge intercooler. Replacing this light, but prone to cracking cooler. Replacing. And then we got the carbon fiber intake. That's gonna go to the long intake. And then we got this. Somehow has to slip onto here, but I need some lubricant to make it slide. Chris is hiding all of his supplies. Jack and Diet Coke. Jack and Diet Coke. Should have never gave you money. Bro, that's one line that just stuck with me. That's the line? That shit stuck with me. Wow, Rick James.
That was the loudest car ever.
Just put it in neutral when you see a cop. Just put it in neutral. Pretty much we're done with phase one. We got the cold air intakes, the carbon intake boot, and we got the VRSF downpipes on. And then the AWE track exhaust. So pretty much this thing is pretty much just straight piped. And it's insane. Definitely excited to see the numbers, the power level it's gonna make, and definitely on the bucket list for cars right now. This thing is beautiful. It's been an honor to work on it. Glad the owner chose to come here because this thing has been a blast to work on. Also, last but not least, I can't forget, obviously, the CSF upgraded intercoolers. So yeah, this thing's ready for some power. Just got to put all the little odds and ends back on, and we got a couple other goodies coming, little trim pieces and accessories, so stay tuned for that. And we got a big surprise that we're not even going to talk about yet until it's done. But it's going to be sick. Stay tuned.
Flash an XHP Stage 3 right now.
And you can do that from your phone.
You have to do it from your phone. They don't have a desktop app. Like MHD doesn't have a desktop app. You flash it from your phone. Kind of goony, huh?
Right.
Right.
Right, mate. That's right, mate.